We make wudu to pray to Allah. Let's learn the steps. Here we go.
We make our niyyah in our heart, our intention from the start. For the sake of Allah alone, this is how our wudu's known.
Wash our hands, fingertips up to our wrists. Allah loves the ones who are pure. Don't forget to clean what's missed.
Rinse our mouth,
3 times fresh and 3 times clean.
rinse our nose and breathe it out.
Cleanest we have ever been.
Wash our face, forehead down to chin we go.
Cheek to cheek and all around. Watch the water flow and flow.
Bum 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 bum.
Wash our arms. Right arm first, include the elbow.
Left arm next, 3 times each.
Watch the water flow and flow.
Wipe our head.
Hands go gently front to back.
Wipe our ears inside and out.
Stay on track.
Stay on track.
Wash our feet. Right foot first between each toe. Heels and ankles, don't forget. Left foot then, and off we go. Wudu's done. Alhamdulillah, we're clean.
Now we're ready for our prayer.
Purest that we've ever been.
Follow us for more at Little Dean Studios.